थोड़ा सा खा लो, जस्ट ईट वन मोर बाइट. मेरी बेटी तो वेजिटेबल्स बिल्कुल नहीं खाती. माई टॉडलर सर्वाइव्स ऑन एयर. सो दीज आर आवर कॉमन इश्यूज. सो द गोल ऑफ द सेशन इज टू बाई यू सम पीस ऑफ माइंड सो दैट यू कैन go beyond this eating and feeding wala struggle. If I say read books, do activities, make your child independent, it won't go through your head. Maybe because we are still stuck at that खाना नहीं खा पाती, पहले उसका क्या करूँ. तो take a notes and a pen, sit tight. Towards the end, I'll share with you the $1 million advice that a woman gave me, a mother gave me few months back, which changed my entire perspective on feeding and eating. All right, so I have compiled this session based on research and evidence that is borrowed from Montessori philosophy and Reggio approach, and also responsive feeding research. So by the end of the session, you will also understand what responsive parenting is. I am assuming you don't give sugar foods, deep fried foods, salty foods, etc. They're not there in your child's menu. अगर ऐसा है, तो we need to work on that first. Only then this session will help you. So by the end of the session, we will know how should toddlers eat on a schedule, and should they eat by themselves or not. ओके, एंड डिसीशन फटीग अपना कैसे कम करते हैं वो भी आप सीखोगे. देन व्हाट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स विद पिकी ईटिंग का हैबिट ओवर द ईयर्स कैसे चेंज होता है. व्हाट इफ़ दे डोंट आस्क फॉर फूड, हमें क्या करना है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू विल लर्न. एंड शुड वी एनकरेज सेल्फ फीडिंग और नॉट, दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो you will learn. Now, before we move ahead, we have to understand a few things first. We have few incomplete understandings about food. So, what is that incomplete understanding? That food is just nutrition and nothing else. So, food सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन के लिए नहीं है. जब तक हम ये सोचते हैं कि फूड सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन के लिए है, हम बच्चों के अंदर कैसे भी उनके पेट में खाना चला जाए इसकी कोशिश करेंगे. बट इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो इमोशनल रेगुलेशन के लिए है, मतलब अगर खाना पसंद आ रहा है तो खुश हो रहा है बच्चा, अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो सैड हो रहा है, तो अपने इमोशंस को रेगुलेट करने के लिए भी फूड काम आता है. तो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ सजेस्टेड दैट यू डोंट ऑफर डोपामिन वाले foods like high sugar, high salt, deep fried foods, right? Also about managing feelings, like expressing how they feel about food, and motor skills, pieces को उठाना, मुंह में डालना, chew करना, ये सब, and sensory development, touching, squishing, smelling, licking. More importantly, independence, because they mostly want to feed themselves naturally, otherwise अगर हम उसका उल्टा ना करें तो. And then social learning, observing family eating habits, making their own food choices. Okay, all these things are involved in food. It's simply not about the amount of calories that are going and उससे जो पोषण मिल रहा है वो नहीं है. But it's natural mothers think about it like that because of our love and affection. So the first question is, should the child self feed? The answer is simple: yes, yes, and a yes, but as much as possible. So we should not take that yes as a strict black and white. So it should be as much as possible. That means we should see that the child is showing natural interest, building great food habits, वो सीख रहा है, and उसको समझ आ गया कि खाना खुद से खाना है. So this is the goal. If the child is sick, if extremely moody, and there are other things involved, then it's okay to feed sometimes. Like in the early stages, when they cannot hold spoon, it's okay to gently help. क्योंकि उससे क्या होता है, when the child self feeds, they build confidence because they are participating in the entire process. And research says that children who are involved in simple jobs around their food, like washing fruits, stirring their soup, carrying their plate, spoon and cup, sitting at the family table, arranging food, these things are preparing the child to enjoy their food much, much better than they would if they are not involved. I hope everything is clear until now. So the second question that pops up is why picky eating happens. Picky eating का one of the reasons is genetics, but मैंने intentionally यहाँ पे genetics को cut किया है because genes bring all sorts of things into our lives. The same goes with our children. But if genes has brought picky eating, then it is possible to reverse it by consistently building habits around eating. Okay? तो ये चीज़ आपको दिमाग में रहनी चाहिए, इसीलिए मैंने जेनेटिक्स को कट कर दिया. तो पिकी ईटिंग जीन्स की वजह से हो रहा है, ये कहना बहुत आसान है. we may be having situations where our elders are saying देखो इसके फादर या इसके मदर भी ऐसे ही खाती थी तो इसको छोड़ दो. But that will demotivate us from even trying, which is why मैंने उसको कट कर दिया. It is 100% possible to reverse such inherited habits. Now delayed introduction is one of the things कि अगर starting में आपने उसको बटर, gooey, cheesy थिंग्स नहीं दिए या फिर सॉफ्ट चीज़ें नहीं दिए, देन वो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक दे विल ग्रो एवर्स टू सच टेक्सचर्स, विच इज़ वाई अर्ली इंट्रोडक्शन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. इवन इफ यू डिड नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस एज अर्ली एज लाइक एट 6 months or 10 months etc., now there is still time. Okay, the earlier the better, because the child who is under 6 years of age, his brain is still developing faster than it would after 6 years, so you still have chance to work. And it is a normal developmental phase, it happens, that will learn. नियोफोबिया, अगर नए फूड्स हैं तो उनको फोबिया होता है नए फूड से कुछ बच्चों को, तो उसके लिए रिपीटेड एक्सपोजर्स की ज़रूरत है. पेरेंटल प्रेशर, वी विल सी व्हाट कम्स अंडर पेरेंटल प्रेशर. सो देयर आर थिंग्स दैट वी वुडंट इमेजिन कि ये भी पेरेंटल प्रेशर की वजह से अंडर आता है, और इसके वजह से भी मेरा बच्चा खाना छोड़ रहा है और इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहा है खाना खाने में. सो लेट अस लर्न व्हाट दैट इज़. डोंट मेक दीज मिस्टेक्स विद पिकी ईटिंग. पेरेंटल प्रेशर की वजह से पिकी ईटिंग हो सकता है इफ़ यू डू दीज मिस्टेक्स. व्हाट दे आर: प्रेशर फीडिंग एंड फोर्स फीडिंग, ब्राइबिंग. नाउ these 3 things, bribing, distraction feeding, chasing with food, and pressure feeding as well, these are short term fixes and they are not sustainable. मतलब लंबे टाइम तक आप ये कर नहीं पाओगे. कितने साल करोगे फोर्स फीडिंग? डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके उसको स्क्रीन देखे या फिर स्टोरीज सुना के कितने दिन आप उसको खाना खिलवाओगे? क्योंकि the main thing that we have to do is build a relationship with food. In case of distraction, you're taking him away from food rather than towards food, right? If you're chasing with food, even that is creating a negative association with food. So these things should be strictly avoided, क्योंकि इनकी वजह से even अगर आपके बच्चे का जीन्स अच्छा है, these things may push them away from food. So don't do it. We'll look into details how we are doing it. And any activity that creates anxiety around meals. मान लो आपने बहुत बचपन से you did not create independence, like हाथ अपने खुद धो या फिर प्लेट उठा के रखो, आपने बहुत बचपन से नहीं बोला. Now the child is around like 4 years of age. Now he knows things. But now also you can tell or create independence in his daily activities, but the way changes because the child is more and more conscious and understanding now. Now if you say, why did you leave the plate? Take the plate and put it in sink. You always do like this. The child will get annoyed and starts associating it with pressure. तो जब आप उसको बोलोगे कि खाने का टाइम हो गया है, फिर आप उसको कंटिन्यूसली कंप्लेन कर रहे हो, कोस रहे हो, यू आर टॉन्टिंग इन सम वे और द अदर, और चेजिंग हिम, फोर्सिंग हिम टू डू थिंग्स, देन दैट विल क्रिएट नेगेटिव एसोसिएशन. अगेन दे विल ट्राई टू अवॉइड मील टाइम एंड दे डोंट एन्जॉय इट एज मच, क्योंकि वो सोचते ही उनको एंग्जाइटी आ जाती है. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ अस, अगर हमें किसी चीज़ से नेगेटिव एसोसिएशन है, मान लो इफ़ वी फियर a person's arrival because he or she will bring some kind of negativity when they arrive, we have some kind of disturbance in our mind कि अब ये आएगा तो these things are going to happen. We have bad expectations that spoils the entire mood. That's something we should avoid. Now some children are naturally cautious around new foods, so that you have to observe. Some children are very easy, so when they're cautious you have to make sure there is repeated exposure. Now these are the things that you will immediately do when your child is not eating. So avoid these things and think of 1,000 other reasons why they may be rejecting the food. क्या क्या हो सकता है सोचिए. या तो उसने इसके पहला वाला मील ज़्यादा खा लिया होगा, थोड़ा सा टेस्टी लगा तो, या फिर उसके बाउल्स एम्प्टी नहीं हुए होंगे. यस, and there might be other reasons. What could be other reasons? Maybe he did not sleep well. Maybe there is too much fatigue, है ना कुछ उसके बॉडी में हो रहा है, उसके सिस्टम में हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से वो खाना नहीं खा रहा है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दोज 1000 other reasons. And the other reasons why they are not eating or accepting a food is that many exposures are needed before they accept. हमारे लाइफ में भी when we taste something for the first time we may not like it as much, but repeated tasting changes our view towards that particular food. तो सेम बच्चों में भी है. सेफ फूड्स इंक्लूड करना है. आगे देखोगे आप सेफ फूड्स क्या है. स्टे calm and patient, because if you are getting angry and stressful, it is 100% sure that you are not going to achieve your calm mealtime goal and reduce struggles, good feeding habits. But if you are trying in a calm way, there is at least scope. थोड़ा सा तो चांस है कि थोड़ा सा सक्सेसफुल हो जाए. अगर आप एंग्री और स्ट्रेस ले रहे हो, वैसे भी आप श्योर हो कि वो अचीव नहीं होगा. तो आपको अपने क्वेश्चंस चेंज करने होंगे and thinking change करना होगा. My child hates broccoli is very easy to think and easy to tell other mums. But to ask कि did I give him enough exposures in different forms? Because this question takes time, takes real introspection, है ना. And enough exposures मैंने दिए हैं क्या नहीं, उसको ट्रैक करना कि अगर ब्रोकली अच्छा नहीं लगा, did I serve him stir fry, did I serve it cut, did I include it in omelette, did I add some cheese to it, कुछ ना कुछ solution होगा. Like all the big problems, this will also have one or the other form. The child will start enjoying it. Now change your questions. So how much the child eat से निकल के what experience the child is having around food. Now listen very very carefully. If you go to a restaurant, how do you expect to be treated? Do you expect to have a very pleasant experience where the waiter is coming and he's making everything available, he's arranged everything beautifully, right? Or do you expect him to force you to eat, to set a timer and say finish fast, or whenever you eat saying good job, right? Or these kind of things. If he's continuously interrupting you, hovering over you, checking on you, what you're doing, and if this kind of behavior you see from the waiter or people around, would you enjoy it? You would expect to be treated like a king in the restaurant where you have everything ready, everything is available, no distractions or disturbance, right? Distractions nahi hai restaurant mein. Now this is what you want to do for your child. Remember, treat your child like an adult and give him a beautiful experience around meal time. मतलब एक set place हो गया, right? No TV or phone, no loud talking people, no बीच बीच में खाना की अच्छा आप ये खा रहे हो, nice. No, just picturize yourself in a restaurant and do everything that the waiter will do to make sure that you have a good food experience, है ना. This is the first point. What experience is the child having around food? Create that kind of experience, and expectations that you have to have from the child when you offer food. Those expectations should not be like an adult but like that of a child. मतलब एक एडल्ट होता है तो खाना नहीं गिराता है. द चाइल्ड विल थ्रो फूड, द चाइल्ड विल टेक टाइम, मे बी द चाइल्ड विल make a mess on his face, on his clothes. The child will eat in a messy way, not very professionally, right? The child will get distracted, he would see here and there, he would babble or talk a lot or sort of stuff that is childish. So experience जो आप दोगे वो adult वाला देना. एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो आप रखोगे वो चाइल्ड से जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस लगाओगे वो वाले देना. तो दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला, दिस इज़ द गेम चेंजर. इसकी वजह से आपके मील टाइम्स बहुत बहुत इम्प्रूव होंगे. आप स्टार्ट करके देखिए. सो दिस इज़, if you fix this and practice it consistently, you will see a lot of difference. This will take some time. I'm not saying it will be very easy. I've gone through a very difficult phase myself personally, especially related to feeding, because feeding and eating is very very emotionally intense for us mothers. Now spills will be there, mess will be there. Give it consistently 10 days, because even if you go out for some help in the market for some nutrition, baby weaning support, they will also ask you to be consistent for 10 days and try out these methods. Should we follow hunger cues or wait of do a fixed schedule? इसके लिए response है do a mix of both. Predictable rhythm होना चाहिए, मतलब वक्त पे आपने खाना तैयार तो कर लेना चाहिए. You have to cook or prepare according to a predictable rhythm and also offer according to your time. But responsive flexibility का मतलब है do not expect कि हमेशा fixed schedule में ही वो चीज़ होगी. इसका मतलब ये है कि you should not wait until the child is asking always, because some children, स्पेशली यंग चिल्ड्रन है, तो उनका हंगर क्यूज अभी डेवलप हो रहा है और कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर थोड़े से बड़े हैं तो वो प्ले टाइम में इतना बिजी हो जाएंगे कि दे विल नॉट be so conscious to respond to the hunger cues and come and ask you. These two things can happen. So you have to, with a good time schedule, you have to offer food, and you have to expect maybe the child will eat if he's hungry, will not eat if there's something going on, like maybe slow digestion, bowel movements, etc. के ऊपर depend होता है. And if it's a new food, you have to give time. There's no other way. You have to give at least, you can give 20 minutes of time and just sit. Do not try to convince like a salesperson to eat the child. Do not try to convince the child like a salesperson to eat, right? A simple rhythm can look like breakfast, snack, lunch, every 2.5 to 3 hours आप offer कर सकते हो. Now, your job is to offer food, maintain a rhythm, and create calm. The child's job is to listen to their cues, explore food, and decide how much to intake. Change your questions again. How do I make my child eat? उससे change करके आप कौन से developmental stage में है और उसको क्या चाहिए मुझसे, ये वाला question आप पूछोगे तो you will benefit a lot. Now I have given details about कौन से एज में कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं और उनको कैसे हैंडल करना है. यू कैन पॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चाइल्ड्स एज, रीड थ्रू एंड गेट बैक इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस. आई एम नॉट अ पीडियाट्रिशियन, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली टेल यू फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ मटीरियल दैट आई हैव रेड ऑनलाइन. नाउ मील टाइम के अंदर जो स्ट्रेस होता है उसको कैसे रिड्यूस करें. स्मॉल पोर्शंस दे दीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लेट में खाना फिल करके देना इज़ वेरी टेम्पटिंग, क्योंकि हमें लगता है, हम अच्छे से इमेजिन करके खुश होते हैं कि ये पूरा खाएगा तो 3 घंटों तक उसको भूख नहीं लगेगी एंड वो उसको न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगी एट्सेट्रा. बट चाइल्ड के लिए प्रेशर होता है, तो आपको by close observation you will have an idea. So try to offer small portions and try to offer variety. Like if there is a meal, maybe you have to offer a little bit of vegetables, then a little bit of curd, rice, roti and all of that. थोड़ा इस तरीके से the child's appetite will also develop well and nutrition भी पूरा होता है. One safe food I told you that we'll talk about. One safe food is nothing like, let's say the child is averse to curd, बट आपको कर्ड इंट्रोड्यूस करना ही करना है बिकॉज इट्स फुल ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, इट्स गुड फॉर गट. बट चाइल्ड लव्स बूंदी, तो 4 pieces ऑफ बूंदी आप उसमें डालो, सो दैट द चाइल्ड फील्स हैप्पी, एक्साइटेड दैट देर इज़ अ सेफ फूड, समथिंग दैट ही नोज, एंड ही विल ट्राई टू मिक्स एंड ईट. दिस इज़ फॉर वेरी यंग चिल्ड्रन. थोड़े अगर बड़े हैं तो वो मैनिपुलेट उनको करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. मे बी यू कैन ट्राई इफ़ यू आर गिविंग अ पैनकेक, लेट अस से पालक का पैनकेक और रागी का, इफ़ दे आर रिजेक्टिंग यू कैन ऐड अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ हनी. ओके, सो इफ़ यू प्रिपेयर्ड अ प्लेट in which you are introducing new food, this is the new food, you can keep old and 2 safe foods here and put 2 new foods here, so that ये दोनों देख के बच्चा खुश हो जाए, उसका मूड ठीक हो जाए, राइट? पहले ये एक ओल्ड फूड ऑर्डर कर देना, फिर 2 न्यू फूड्स देना, उसके बाद you can give another old food. So depending upon your child's response, and he is not also going all out hungry, which will reduce tantrums and other issues. Now eat together when possible. Stop commenting too much. What does this mean? I told you earlier, good job, yummy yummy, this is very yummy yummy, eat. The child वो पक जाएगा yummy yummy से, क्योंकि बहुत हम उसको फोर्स करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हर बार वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा है तो उसको प्रिटेंड करके दिखा रहे हैं कि यम्मी यम्मी है, और खाएगा तो वी आर सेइंग गुड बॉय. ही डजंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट गुड बॉय मीन्स. In that moment he doesn't like the food, that's the fact. So stay silent. One trick I saw online is the mother is offering simply very restricted line, do you want one, do you want to try one, simple bas. If he says no, just silent. No trying to motivate, negotiate, etc. If he says yes, then just keep it there and he will try one, and automatically he'll eat the other pieces of noodle. You don't have to force, you don't have to try to sell that. When they refuse food, if they are a baby like 1 year, 1.5 years से पहले तक, remove the plate and let them go free, because they should not feel कि खाने का time is like a jail, right? 30 to 40 minutes के बाद you can offer. And if they are a little older, like walking 3 years 4 years, उनको 1-2 घंटे के बाद जाके पूछिए कि look, if you are hungry, there is food on the table, go and eat. ठीक है? This is the other way. So this has worked very well even for my 1.5-year-old. So when he rejects food, there's always 90% of the time a reason for rejecting the food. It could be maybe his bowels are not empty, his food is incomplete, etc. And when he's feeling hungry, I know his hunger cues. He starts sucking his lips or starts behaving cranky. Then I pull him close and I say, look, I can see that you are hungry. अगर आपको भूख लगी है, टेबल पे खाना है, जाके खाओ. तो पहले जब मैं I would assume that he did not like the food. Now he is hungry and he would try and go and walk to the table and eat, because we are inviting him to. It is giving a sense of autonomy and some freedom. कि अच्छा, I can go and see what is there. I can try. There's nobody hovering around. There's no force. Nobody is making me sit, etc., etc. So that kind of thing. And next comes the language that helps. We already talked about it. You can simply minimize the sentences that you speak when they are eating and avoid these kind of sentences. Then there is reduced decision fatigue. हम as mothers हमें बहुत कुछ करना होता है, तो preparation is something that will reduce stress for both child and parent. So these are the things that I personally do. I listed down. पीस फूड्स या प्रेप फूड्स. पीस इसलिए क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत सारा पीस खरीद के देती है. दे सेव माई टाइम. आई ऑलवेज कीप होम मेड पीनट आलमंड बटर इन द फ्रीज़र, नॉट फ्रीज़र, इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर. फ्रेश पीस को लाके उनको फ्रीज़ करना, बॉयल करके, नॉट बॉइल्ड, सॉरी, कॉर्न रखना, उसको कॉर्न के कर्नल्स रिमूव करके कॉर्न फ्रीज़र में रख लेते हैं. And then chopped carrot and beetroot. See, don't go with fresh नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये नहीं है. Fridge is a boon in a mother's life. It is a savior of science and technology ने हमें दिया है. Go and read research. It will not be harmful. It will not make the nutrients go away. It is preserving food naturally by reducing the temperature. No chemical, no other preservative. So this is the best form of storing food and it will not harm your child. Chopped carrot and beetroot. So these are some vegetables you can use handy. मतलब अगर कोई पास्ता बनाना हो उसमें डाल दिया. You can put in a khichdi, you can put in dalia, you can put these vegetables. You can grate chopped carrot and beetroot in dosa batter and make colorful dosas. Idli and dosa batter, because I'm a South Indian, we always keep that ready. Tomato paste is my personal favorite. Just wash, cut and chop tomatoes and cook it until it's thick and store it. 1 spoon you can add to pastas, you can add to dal, khichdi and everything else. So this I don't do it personally, but this is for my North Indian friends. These also I don't do personally. This I will do. This I do. Then you can try all these recipes. These are very safe to go if they're stored in a safe way. If you're prepared and you're also stressed, your child is also stressed. If you're spending all your time in the kitchen preparing slowly, fresh way, you're tired and you can't show up in a peace and calm manner during your child's meal time. So these are some 5-minute backup meals I have listed. Same food, different presentation. This works really well for 3 to 4 years, 3 to 5 years of kids by making shapes, by inviting them to make shapes. So this is the $1 million advice I got. बहन, बच्चों को भूखा रहना आता नहीं है. तो उन्होंने ये कहा मुझसे, we were staying in a hotel, उनकी 2 साल की लड़की पास्ता खा रही थी like a pro using a fork. So I said, what did you do with her BLW, which is baby led weaning? I was very intensely involved in this process. She said, बहन बच्चों को भूख रहना नहीं आता. तो उस दिन के बाद मुझे मेरा mental load इतना कम हो गया, because I would make sure everything is ready and I would just wait. I would observe hunger cues. Okay, if he's hungry, he'll eat. If he did not eat even 70% of the plate, I'm worry free now. Because I know if he's hungry, he'll come back. My job to offer is done. Okay? Unless your doctor says your child is not gaining weight, your child is not healthy, then you have nothing to worry. Don't listen to your relatives or family or friends. Achha, your child is lean, this, just forget. Buy some peace. This is very helpful, because this piece you can use in other areas of development of your child. Now, if you benefited from this session, I would really, 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 really appreciate if you leave me a message saying that it was helpful or not. Any which ways, you can let me know. And the entire goal, your goal, my goal, is also to raise kids who trust their body. मतलब वो body को trust कर रहा है, इसीलिए खाना reject कर रहा है. He's going through some problem, or he's taking time to start loving this new food. तो we have to ensure that they feel safe at meals, क्योंकि अगर उनको safety ही महसूस नहीं होगी, entire life they will be running. And entire life I've seen people, even after marriage, they need to be fed. Even after growing to 30-35 years of age, their mothers keep coming and feeding, because their relationship with food is like very picky. वो नहीं खाना, ये नहीं खाना, ऐसे बनाओ, वैसे बनाओ, these kind of attitudes. So yeah, share with a mother if you benefited. And thank you so much.